Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to weather any rail cars or like some metal sheet roof. What I weathered in this video is metal sheet roof for the locomotive shed you see here. So let's get into the video. Welcome back guys. In today's video I'm going to show you how to weather, make something look rusty. I did this one side of the roof already as an example. I'm going to be doing the other side for you guys today. So let's get into the video. Sorry for the mess on my desk. So what you're going to need is your roof. You're going to need brown acrylic paint, a paintbrush, and paper towels. I have to go get some paper towels. Alright, so I got some paper towels and I cleaned off my paintbrush. You're going to make sure you do that. So step one, you're going to paint your whatever you're weathering. It's not going to look good at first, but just trust me. So what you're going to do is you're going to cover the whole thing with brown paint. Leave no gaps. Doesn't matter I don't think it matters if it's thin or not. Just stay with me and you'll see how it comes out. Just trust me. So you're going to get all the cracks covered in paint. All the visible parts. I'm not going to paint this part here because you won't be able to see it in the final product. And yeah, so this is step one. I'll come back to you with step two. Alright, so now this is what you're going to want it to look like. I have every inch of it covered. No parts without any paint. Except, of course, this part. But now we're going to get into step two. You're going to take your paper towels, fold it in half or whatever. I have mine like this. And you're going to want to streak your paint like this. This is where it starts to look like actual rust. And this is going to happen, so that's why you need multiple paper towels. So you're just going to do this over the whole thing. Alright. So you're just going to keep doing this over the whole thing. So this is what it looks like. And I'll get back when I finish. Alright, so this is the finished product. Looks like rusty old roof. Now I'm just gonna glue it onto the top of here. And then I'll show you this part, what we're gonna do here. Alright, so I'm starting up here, and what I'm gonna do with this piece, it goes right here, this piece right here. I'm going to paint it. Cover it all brown. Now I'm just gonna take a paper towel and I'm gonna dab it. Is it focused? dab it. Looks like that. Focus. See that? So now I'm just gonna glue it over here. Let it dry there. So now I'm gonna move on to this piece, which goes right here. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, you can see that. It goes right there. I'm gonna do the exact same thing we did for these pieces. You're gonna wanna fill in every little gap. Looks like this. Put it onto the light. So it looks like that. A dirty look, but not really rusty. Gonna leave the grates gray. Yeah, that looks good. Guess I shouldn't smudge it. Alright, yeah, that looks good. Just like that. Now I'm gonna glue it on here. See, it's a little bent. First, I need to wait for these pieces to dry, actually. So, while I'm waiting for them to dry, I'm going to paint these the exact same way as I painted this roof. So I'll do that off camera because I already showed you guys the process. Alright, so we got all of these pieces painted. These are still drying, but one thing, these pieces are a little bit bent. I don't know if you can see that on camera, but I'm gonna wait for these two pieces to dry. Then I'm gonna clamp them down, and hopefully they'll be straight. So I'll come back to you guys in about an hour or so. Let these dry. Let these get straightened out. Right, yeah, these are dry now. So I'll just do this on camera. I don't really care. Oops. Clamp that side down. Then I'll just clamp the middle down. So these should be flat in about an hour, 30 minutes maybe. I'll come back to you when they're both flat. Might take a while, might not. And I'd like you guys to tell me in the comments how you guys think I did. This is my first time weathering something. If you're looking for like weathering tips, you should go to NS Modeler 24. He has a really good YouTube channel. He does like weathering tutorials and stuff. I hope my video helped you guys. And yeah, so I'll be back later. Alright, so I finished building the roof. Can you guys tell me how it looks in the comments? I think it looks good for my first time weathering. So I'm almost finished with the roof. Just need to put these things. They're it's the same as this. I'll show you guys what they are. Just gotta get the pieces I need. So these are like output, I guess you can call it, for like the smoke that the engines, the locomotives, like release, so it doesn't like ventilation, that's what it's called. So I'm just doing that right now. And then come back to you guys when I finish. Alright guys, so that's the video for today. Let me know in the comments if you think I did good on this. I think I did pretty good for my first time weathering. It's also my first time like building a structure. I did only weather the roof, so might do a video on weathering the rest of it. But yeah, let me know how you guys think I did. I'd love to hear some feedback. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.